Once again, this bird is not afraid of me. He thinks I'm gonna give it food or something. It's right beside me, right on the rock. And here's my foot, you know. This bird is like 3 or 4 feet away from me. He's fishing for minnows. And he is not afraid of me. Oh, there he goes. Wonder where he's gonna come up. It's right beside me. Oh, there he is. Totally not afraid. There's a strong tide here. So all the food gangs up on the side, so it's easier for him to eat. Chicken just laid an egg. And the twins are double barked.